Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to link PayPal to TikTok. To link PayPal to TikTok, start by choosing an item to purchase, like coins, and press Get Coins. When a payment screen appears, select your preferred amount and press Recharge. TikTok will direct you to a payment method screen where you can choose PayPal at the bottom. Press Add PayPal and enter the email address linked to your PayPal account. Follow the authentication steps, including entering your password and any verification prompts. Once complete, TikTok will store PayPal as a payment option for future purchases. Be cautious. If you proceed with a purchase during this process, funds will be charged immediately. So ensure you're linking the account safely. This method effectively links PayPal to your TikTok account for convenient transactions. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.